Today, we are going to show two methods to install edge protection on the stairwell opening. As we mentioned in last video, stairwell opening is one of the most overlooked fall hazards on sites. Method 1. Use the bolted system. So we need to drill the holes first. Drill the holes first, then anchor the foot into the slab. Then put the post on it. Repeat the steps. Bolted the foot to the slab. Put the post in it. Then we can put the lock out. Yeah. Then put our link bars on it. You know, the link bar is adjustable, so it is very easy and fast to install on your site. We put the link bar on, then we put another side here, and there is a bolt, so you lose it, then it is adjustable to the height. So let's see. Now it's locked, then tighten the nut, tighten. We'll repeat the steps to install another link bar. Then we repeat the previous step to put another link bar here. Now we need to put the lock pin on. Put it on. Put it on. Now it's done. So when you, the length is adjustable. So if you can put the post here, here, or here, because this one is adjustable. Yeah. Method 2, using the stair clamp, fixed directly to the slab. No tool, no drilling. Faster installation, easier to reposition. Now we need to fix the clamp onto the slab. This one is adjustable to the angles, so it can fit any angles of your stair. Now we put it on, then we just need to tighten the screw. Normally use the hammer. Now we install the post like the bolt down system. Just put the post in. Okay? And then repeat the steps to install another stair clamp and the post. Then we repeat the previous steps. Install the stair clamps, then put the post on it. Same as before. Then we put the link bar. Okay. The link bar on it. It is adjustable. You see, the length is not enough, so we lose the nut. Put it on. Put the lock on. Put the lock on. Then we repeat the steps to put another link bar. Put the link bar on it. Another one. Okay, we are done. And you no need to worry about the people falling from here anymore. And you also can use the stair mesh to instead of the link bars. Both of the methods are designed to improve the safety around the stairwell opening and reduce the falling risks. And you know, in the construction site, people will stop to noticing the openings. That's why a lot of accidents happens. What kind of system do you want to see in my next video? Comment below.